Student, my name is Anand Vishay. In this video lecture, we have also performed the revision of HTML. This is the portion of your PD3 examination. We start with the fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank that is a piece of ordinary text has been spruced up with the special feature of the linking other document or a web page that is called hypertext. Look, this hypertext is the one kind of text. It is the look like a simple text, but when you move the cursor onto that, it can be convert onto the cursor automatically convert into the hand symbol. Hand symbol, by clicking on that, it can be open the new document. So by it, basically it is interlinking that. Okay, so hypertext is the process. The next one, dash are used to the HTML document, used to view the web browser. By using web browser, we can view whatever the HTML code we have write, and after save it, who will display? That is the web browser. The output will be displayed in the web pages form by the web browser. Okay. The next one, in HTML5, Canvas feature helps to drawing the image directly onto the web page. This is one is the very interesting and the new feature where you can draw the image onto the web page directly by using Canvas feature, and this can be the HTML5. It can be available into the HTML5. The next one, dash element include on and off tag, container element. Student, you have already know there are the two kinds of tag. One is the empty tag. Either you can use the on tag or off tag. Second one is the container tag, mandatory to on and off mention. Otherwise, it could not be performed their operation. So container tag is the right answer here. Dash element split the line and display the text onto the new line. That is the line break. By using line break element, we can split the lines and the text will be displayed always in the new line. Now come to the true false. HTML5 came in existence around the 2008. That is true. By using 2008, here it can be launched and it came in existence used by the user HTML5 version. Tags and attributes names are case sensitive. That is false. HTML is not a case sensitive language. So tags and attribute, either you can use the proper toggle any kind of keys to write the tag, it proper working. Next one, property defines how different elements look on the web page. That is true. By using the different CSS property, we can make our page very attractive. So property is the vital role play here to the look regarding the look of the web page. So this option is true. With the inline method, the effect get applied all the element of the web page. No, that is false. By individual element, it can be applied only. Whatever we have, where we have particular tag, we have defined the inline method. It only applicable onto the tag. If the same attribute look or a style, if we define onto the next one, so again we can write the inline method there. So it is false. You can add the image in the background of the web page with the help of picture tag. That is false. IMG tag. We can use the IMG tag to attach a figure onto the background of web page. Now come on to the section B. HTML is the improved version of HTML. The full form standard generalized markup language. This is the one kind of language. By using this one, it can be developed, and improved version is known as HTML. So HTML is the right answer. Amaya is the web editor. Is the one kind of web editor that is the basic kind of editor where you can whatever you can design it can be show the output gradually one by one. So Amaya is the web editor. Third, the dash tag draw the horizontal line across the web page. HR tag. Then HR, by using HR tag is the one kind of empty tag. Either you can opening or closing. You cannot mention the closing. It only work there. Dash provides the set of style rules for defining the layout of HTML documents. CSS. Cascading style set provides the set of rules. It contains the different to define the layout of HTML document, that is the cascading style sheet. Next one, a property and its value is collectively known as declaration. The CSS contain the property, whatever the property like a background color, and you can define the value like a yellow. Combined together, it is known as declaration. Background color full yellow regarding any HTML tag, that is the p tag. We can define the p tag background color colon sign then yellow. So it is the complete declaration. 6. The dash helps to placing the picture or image at the desired place on the HTML document. That is the background position. By using this option, we can place the either top or a bottom. By default, the image will be displayed in the top left corner. Either you can put it onto the middle or a bottom side or a right side, right corner. You can use the background position attribute of the CSS. Okay. So guys, that all for today, and we have revised the both chapter in the first video lecture. Last video lecture we have revised the working with layer, and this one the introduction to HTML5. Thank you and have a good day. You can best of luck for your online exam.